You guys get us trucks whenever we need it. A lot of times, other places, they don't get me. It's a day later, oh, I finally found a truck. I don't have that with you guys.
Our pieces are rather large. I will say they're not conventional size, so shipping is one of our biggest constraints. It's dangerous. Safety is a number one for us.
Being able to just talk to the shipping manager, be like, hey, I need this by this day. Is this possible? Give me 5 minutes, let me make a phone call. Yep, we got it. And I've never gotten anything less than, yep, we can work that out.
Colin does an awesome job at getting us a truck today if I need it. Calls the customers, updates me all the time. Anything with a truck coming, when it's gonna be here, when it drops off, tells me if it delivered, if there's any problems. That's what we need.
There's never been a problem that we haven't been able to solve working together.
I haven't heard anything negative about ATS at this point, which tells me our relationship is going great, and I couldn't ask for anything else at this point. That's
how we feel about ATS. They've definitely stuck with us and been with us through a majority of our larger growth. They may not have seen us in the beginning, but they've definitely been a large part of everything we've become now and are becoming.
I love ATS. Since day one, you guys have been awesome.